Indian forces, in their unabated acts of state terrorism and gross human rights violation, have martyred 936 children over the last 37 years in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to a report released today on World Children's Day by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, children remain the most vulnerable victims of India's illegal occupation and military oppression in the territory. The report revealed that the killing of civilians by Indian forces has left 108,007 children orphaned in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. It further documented severe injuries inflicted on thousands of children, including schoolboys and girls, by bullets, PAVA shells and tear gas fired by Indian forces at funeral processions and very peaceful protesters. Among the victims are children permanently blinded or partially deprived of their eyesight. The report stressed that the global community must not forget the plight of IIOJK's children under the Indian regime and its Hindutva-driven military and police establishment. They must be pressured to uphold international obligations for the protection of children's rights in the territory. The psychological trauma further inflicted on Kashmiri children is immense. Many have witnessed the brutal killing of loved ones, leaving deep and lasting scars on their mental and physical health. The report further urged the United Nations and the global community to recognize the address and the plight of Kashmiri children. It called for immediate pressure on India and its Hindutva-driven military establishment to fulfill international obligations for the protection of children's rights in IIOJK. Meanwhile, all parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Manhas, in a statement in Srinagar, further urged the United Nations General Secretary and Human Rights Organization to take notice of Kashmiri children's plight as a result of India's continued occupation of Jammu and Kashmir for the past over 7 decades.